The future is now! With Operation Valor, our first attempt to Mars. This mission is fully sponsored by Info, bringing you high-quality communication. Remember, it's not in-earphone, it's in-earphone. And without further delay, let's go to our news desk with Jim and Dick, who will be sharing this extraordinary, momentous events with you, the viewer.
Welcome to our first mission to Mars. We are live from outside the Launch Control Center, and with me, as always, is Dick Waters.
Introduction confirmed, Jim.
As you can see, Dick here is very excited for the success of our mission.
Copy that. Joining us today are three special guests who will enlighten this experience further. The first is Igor Kamensky, the rocket scientist who designed the Valor. Second, Commander Robert Majors, who will be leading the flight crew to Mars. And thirdly, reporter Newt Cunningham will be speaking to the wife of Commander Majors.
Research tells us that the weather on Mars is unusually calm, increasing the chances of a triumphant mission.
And with all beautiful day like this, all systems are go for Mars exploration.
According to our advanced satellite imagery, there appears to be remnants of ice in a large crater. The commander and flight crew will be landing near the crater in search of life forms.
Affirmative. And if you're just joining us, keep on watching, because later on in the broadcast, we'll be talking with Commander Robert Majors about the mission to Mars.
And now let's take you to Professor Kamensky in the lab.
Oh, hello, and welcome to this exciting event. I am Grigor Kamensky. Now, there are three main plasma engines. These solid rocket boosters are able to burn 11,000 pounds of propellant per second, thus carrying the Valor shuttle to a 51.6, 147 by 20 miles statute orbit. The flight crew, they will be landing here, outside this massive crater. The chances of finding alien life is good. And when we do, not only will it change the history of science, but the world.
That was Professor Grigor Kamensky. Thank you, Professor, for that scientific report.
Copy that. And we are rapidly approaching launch time, just under the 5-minute mark. As we wait, we have something very special for you. Commander Robert Majors is standing by. Commander Majors, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Dick. Loud and clear.
I'd like to thank you for fitting us into your busy schedule. How many space missions will this be for you now?
This is my 4th mission to space and, of course, my first to Mars. This is something we are very excited about.
As are we. Up here.
Commander Majors, yeah, Commander Majors. Aren't you, scared to travel into space? Over.
No, son. It's a feeling I wish all could experience. It's my job to go to infinity and beyond for the people.
That's fascinating.
Oh, sorry, fellas. I have to get going. The universe awaits.
There goes a brave man.
Roger that. Godspeed, Commander.
We are coming up on the 22nd mark. Soon mankind will set foot on Mars.
This is very exciting.
Stand by for countdown.
Looks like they are getting ready. We have a go for prime sequence start. Onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 10. We have
8,
a go for main engine launch.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, booster ignition.
Booster ignition.
1, liftoff.
This is one giant leap. May the force be with them.
At the beginning of this century, it would have taken years to reach Mars. But now, with Kamensky's plasma engines going at 20,000 miles a second, it will take a matter of minutes.
Engines are at 70% as the Valor passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
Valor Houston, go for throttle up.
We now
Copy. Go for throttle up.
We now go live to Newt Cunningham, who is in a parking lot with the wife of Commander Majors.
sorry I'm late. I just got mugged. But don't worry, I showed them. So, Miss Majors, how does it feel to have such a gallant man for a husband?
It's really quite exciting.
What's this? Great news. We just heard that your husband landed successfully on Mars. Other than me just getting mugged, it's a good day for humanity.